Oh my gosh, it has been so amazing having you guys along for the tour. I can only imagine how hard tours would be on Property Brothers if I brought millions of you along with me on that as well. Obviously, we're not doing a TV show about this house, so this was a great way that I could share this with you, and the questions you guys sent in were incredible. In fact, probably one of the most fitting questions that have just come in from Karen. She was asking if there was anything unexpected or something that took us by surprise. And honestly, it was the feeling of actually thinking about our own lifestyles, because I'm so used to doing a renovation for somebody else, thinking about how that family is going to use their home. Now turning the lens back on us and making sure that we're thinking about what will we need today if we want to entertain, if we want to make memories with friends, what will we need in 10 years as the kids keep getting older. This has been a really exciting time, and it's sort of renewed that importance for me about why family comes first. Family is always the focus, and that is our goal here, is to spend more time with family and with friends. So thank you for all the amazing questions. Keep checking out my Instagram, because in the coming months I'm going to post some more pictures, answer a lot more questions. But this has been one of the joys of my life, finishing this project and now getting to live in this home. So I thought I would wrap it up in true Property Brothers style by giving you some beautiful before and afters, some progress footage, and just another little sneak peek at the home that we're blessed to have.